Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a home decor haul, a very affordable home decor haul and a balcony transformation. So if you guys remember in the empty house tour video or probably the vlog, you guys would have seen that there's a little entrance space outside my house, like in front of the door. So that's the place that I want to transform. Sort of like I wanted to add a little bit of color. Except for plants, there's nothing there right now, so I wanted to add a couple of things. And also Flipkart has this huge sale going on home decor and furnishing, and they have like huge discounts. They have a lot of home decor pieces under $2.99, $3.99, and you can get all of these at very affordable prices right now during the sale. So get your hands on these. I'll show you guys what all I picked up, and then I'll also show you guys how I've transformed it a little bit. I looked up a few things on Pinterest, like for Indian balconies. So I wanted it with an Indian boho touch rather than something a little pastel. So that's what I looked up for. I had a couple of samples, and then I found a lot of tiny home decor pieces which are super affordable on Flipkart, and I got them. So right now you can grab all the top brands at super affordable prices, and this is a limited time period offer. It's only till 6, so you have to grab them right now or they're gone. So these are all genuine brands, and they have cash on delivery, and they have easy returns and funds as well. So grab everything that you want, and if you want to give your house a little makeover for the new year, then this is the time. So they have all the furnishing pieces also very affordable prices, that is bed sheets, curtains, towels, and kitchen related things, stuff like towels and mats and all those things. These are all also at a very affordable price. So I have a haul with those as well. It'll probably go up on my other channel, so you can check that out as well. And I have few other recommendations for home decor in this video. So for home decor pieces also, there's a lot of pieces under $2.99, $3.99, $4.99. So you'll find like paintings and home decor pieces, lights, and so many other options. So now let's get started, and I'll show you guys what I got, and I'll also mention the prices right here so that you can get to know what they're priced at the moment during the sale. And now let's begin. So I've just unboxed all of them, and I am yet to decorate it. So I'll show you guys what I do as well. So I got this for the entrance area, like I mentioned. So there's a nail just next to the door, so I thought I'll hang this there probably, or something a little above the plants, so that there's a little pop of color. So this is so beautiful, right? It gives you that Jaipur vibe. It is so beautiful. Like if you're looking for Indian home decor, and if you're looking to add a little bit of pop of color, then this is great. This is available in different colors. I think there's a yellow one as well. So yeah, yellow and red both I think are like a really good pop of color. So it has these really beautiful elephants nicely done in cloth, and just look at this. It has like gold ribbon and all these tassels and bells. There's bead work. There is so much detailing, and here also you can see the umbrella. On the top of the umbrella also there's this. So it's a very beautiful piece. Now to go with that decor, next I have these really beautiful pieces. These are decor pieces again, and again these are also available in different designs. You can use them as home decor, or like me, I'm trying to put them around the balcony. So there are different sizes. So there's like 3 different sizes. These are elephants, and again look at the detailing, the paint and everything. It looks so beautiful. And then yeah, there's a tiny chutku one as well. So all 3 of them can be placed together or separately. So if you want to add a little bit of that excitement and some pop of color and energy in little corners, you can decorate using such things. Next up we have these lanterns. Again these are available in different colors, as you might already guess. I got red and yellow to match with the other home decor pieces that I picked up. So this is the usual lamp, and these are also at a very good price. So you can place candles on this, or you can actually even place lights in this. So it depends. If you're putting them outside, because it's closed, you can just open it and put a candle inside. There's a opening at the bottom, and just close it with the lid, and it will look so beautiful. Even if you put it along with your plants in the balcony, I think it looks good, and you can even hang them. If you're looking to add a little pop of color, then these are great because they have like such bright colors. They have blue as well. I'm not sure what other colors. I think there's white also available, so yeah, check them out. I also got a bunch of lights. So these are those lights with like a button. So I already have some of these and I wanted to get more of them so that I can add them either in the lanterns that I just showed you guys. I also got some other mosaic lights, so I thought I can add them in those as well. I will show you guys the other ones, but this is a set of like I think 4, which is great. So you can add them in every other corner in your living room, and evenings, because it's winter and it's so cozy, you can add these in some jars and you can light up the entire living room when you're having guests over, or just in the evenings when you're having coffee or dinner, and it will look so beautiful. These are the jars that I was talking about. So basically these are your mosaic lamps, and these come with candles inside them. So you can use candles or you can use the lights that I just showed you guys. And look at these designs, they're so beautiful. When you light them up in the evenings, they're going to look so pretty, you guys. You can shut off the lights and just have a couple of these and lanterns, and it will look so beautiful. Just look at the detailing. I think this one's my favorite. Just look at this, it looks so beautiful. And this is the other one. I think these were a set of 3 if I'm not wrong, and they did come with candles. So this is the other design that I ordered. These did not have candles inside, but again the detailing is so beautiful. So you can put light inside it. Because I have the studio light, you're not able to see it, but you can place either candle or these lights inside this, and in the evenings and night it will look so beautiful, you guys. These are all the decor pieces that I got for the balcony, and one by one when I add them, I have included clips, and overall it makes for such a good transformation with just some tiny bits and pieces, and also you're not spending much. Everything together is like so affordable. And because right now there's a sale, this is a great time to grab these. They're all an amazing offers, so yeah, do check them out. So the sale on Flipkart is from 4th to 6th, and everything is at such amazing discount. So that was it for today's haul and balcony transformation, you guys. I have few more spaces in the house which I want to transform. Let me know if you'd like to watch those as well. All the links will be in the description box, so grab these during the sale for best offers. And they have cash on delivery and easy returns and refunds. So yeah, it's a great time to get any of these. If you want to grab them right now, it's the time. So that is it for today's haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you would like to watch, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of fun fashion hauls and lookbooks and so much more coming up. And also don't forget to find me on Instagram as well, and also my website is live. It's priyankabopannaofficial.com. The link will be in the description box. Go shop there if you're interested in getting some amazing dupattas and saris. I have a lot more coming up, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.